Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jane Earl. If you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. So in today's video, I want to be sharing with you guys how I take my baby's pictures at home. I celebrate all my baby's milestones from 1 month to 2 months to 3 months until they get to 1 year. I did that with my first. I have a shot on, her first year on earth. So I'm gonna do this again with my second baby. I've already done month 1, month 2, month 3. So now we're about to do month 4. As you can see in the background, like my lighting is already here and I'm already setting up. Most of my concepts I get it from Pinterest. Most of them I just think on my head, like I imagine them. Majority of them I take them from Pinterest. So if you don't have that app, what are you doing? You need it. This is not a sponsored ad or anything, guys, but I love Pinterest. It's very good. Guys, I'm very sorry we cannot hear me properly. My voice is I went to church yesterday and I was singing and I was kind of screaming, so my voice is gone. I hope you guys can hear me though. When I'm editing this video, I'll know if the sound is okay. But I just want to show you guys the behind the scenes of how I take baby Jaden's picture. So it's gonna be 4 months. He's already 4 months. And let's go do the shoot. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Please. It doesn't cost you no more data than you watching this video. It's just a tap away. Just click that red button below this video and you're done. But don't forget to hit the notification bell beside there so you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get shooting. Use of this soft box here. So make use of this other ring light. So the concept I'm using today, I'm gonna be making use of a laptop. I equally open up my windows, open up both windows to get more light. So we're gonna be doing like a popcorn setting, hence the plenty popcorns. So I want to use these popcorns to write the number 4. That's what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be like a Netflix and chill kind of shoot. So guys, when you want to take your baby's photo shoot at home, if you're using a food kind of prop like I'm using, make sure that the background you're using is clean and everything you're using is clean. So all I'm doing right now, is opening the popcorns and I'm also snacking on them, opening the popcorn and trying to write the letter 4 on the bed with the popcorn. You're gonna see everything I'm doing in a bit. I'm so sorry guys that I'm posting this video late. Like as of today, my baby boy is already 5 months. I guess this day why I didn't post this video was because on this particular day, after doing this photo shoot, that was the day we went to the hospital and were hospitalized because of his cough and catarrh. If you've not seen that video, kindly check it out. So that was why, with the hospital and him not feeling well, and then when he was fine, other videos just came up. So I decided to post it today that he's 5 months. I've already done this shoot and we've already done his 5 months shoot, as you can see. Oh my god, guys. So please say a word of prayer for baby Jaden, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my family, share my videos, give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do not also forget to click on that thank you button too. I really appreciate it. God bless you. So all I'm just doing is arranging. I'm done with the number 4 and I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. So the baby will be here. I'm gonna use this. It's right next. So as a one-man shoot, I'm the one setting up the prop, taking the pictures and everything. So I have to, get a different angle. And I'm also using my iPhone to get like some TikTok videos and get another angle, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a bit. So I'm going to be using this iPhone to do the shoot. And I'm going to hold in the ring light like that and just snap. So here is the number 4 written with popcorns. I had this popcorn packs left over from Brielle's birthday. That's why it's always good to keep things though. So I was so lucky. I saw it and I had to use it. And as you can see, there's nothing written on the laptop because this laptop, the battery is bad. So I just edited the Netflix and just put it there. So so baby Jaden was asleep and I just kept him where I said I would keep him in the middle, in between the number 4 and the laptop. So here I was just determining like if I should wear him this like mini shorts or romper, but it's the Netflix and chill and you don't overdress when chilling. But I still had to wear him some sneakers, you know. And yeah, he started waking up and I was just, you know, pacifying him, and after a while he slept back. So the secret to taking all these pictures is just taking as many pictures you can get. Like just keep snapping, because at least you'll find 1 or 2. So I'm equally using my light box. The light box will say Jaden at 4 months. So I use this light box also. This is supposed to be a light box and I've not been able to put batteries inside ever since the last batteries died. But yeah, so I'm just looking for the letters and the words, you know, to change. And yeah. So when I was done with everything and everything was to my liking, the setup, everything, I now take up my iPhone and, you know, start shooting. In the process of shooting, I realized that the window I opened the other way, it was making it too bright. So I had to equally change the angle of this other camera too. And I just keep snapping. So I got a stool, you know, to stand so I could get the whole picture. Guys, I really need to invest in this ladder, this in-house ladder or event ladder. I need that stuff in my life. So guys, all you have to do is just take a whole lot of pictures, like plenty pictures. Plenty pictures, because that way, even do videos too. That way, by the time you come and check it, even in the videos, you can find the ones you like and you can take screenshots of it. So that's what I'm doing here, snapping. And then I felt like he's Netflixing and chilling. And he deserved to wear glasses or something. But this boy was not having it. He didn't want to wear the glasses. So I just had to keep the glass as a prop, you know, and continue taking the pictures. So just keep taking as many pictures as you can.
Sabi gal know the to like talk. Animals they're in human form. Body man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run there for me catch up. I know they form I said to righteous. Come on, they form you said to like us. We no get the time for the hate and the bad energy.
So here is the video I was taking, and this guy was just chilling, looking at me. Oh my gosh, Jaden is so calm. I love that about him. He was just chilling, looking at me and just watching what I was doing. So that's what I was happy about. But if you don't have a calm baby like Jaden, just try to wait till the baby is asleep. That way, you can get a whole lot of pictures when they're asleep.
Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my ground, let me hear what you want. Tell me if it didn't my fantasy. They wanna check my top in a rush. But it a rush, well, they be much. No be happy, everybody they crush. The kind money we touch. Yeah, it a rush, well, they be much.
So here's a snippet of his 5-month photo shoot. We had to make him a chef. So as you can see, I edited, you know, I made a logo for him and, you know, just pasted it there when I was editing the video. And he was asleep. And oh my gosh, my beautiful friend Nifemi came around and she equally helped behind the scenes of the shoot. She was so excited about it and she helped me carry my softbox up and we got better pictures. So don't be shy to ask for help if you have people around you who can help, like my beautiful sis. Thank you, sis, for coming around. I really appreciate you. Oh my god, guys, so I am done taking his pictures. That's just because he started, getting fuzzy, so I had to stop. But the trick is just to take a whole lot of pictures and videos. So there are sometimes you take videos and then you can make some screenshots if you find anyone that's beautiful, but take a whole lot of pictures. That way when you're checking it, you can at least find one or two that are to your liking. So we're doing like a Netflix and chill kind of setting. As you guys saw, he didn't want to wear the glasses, but oh my gosh, I'm sweating because I had to put off the fan. Ouch, sorry, sweat has entered my eyes. Oh my gosh, what we do to take pictures. Oh, we pass through to take pictures. Okay, let me clean up my face, then I'll come back, guys. The sweat is all over my eyes. Ooh. Okay guys, so I used Snapseed and Airbrush App. I don't think that's the name, but I'm gonna leave the proper name in the description box. That's what I use to edit his pictures, and I take everything with my iPhone and edit it. Most times when my iPhone is not working, I take everything with this phone I'm using. That's Techno Camon. So that's how I take my baby's photo shoot at home, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end of this video, guys. Please do well to share this video to other mamas so they know that they can equally take their baby's photo shoot at home. You don't need to go spend a whole lot of money, except when they are like 1 year or 6 months and you need like a professional. Even my baby's Earl 6 months photo here, these photos I took them all at home with my phone. So the only time I went to the studio was newborn and 1 year. That was the only time I went to the studio. So this is another way you can equally save money and still get good, beautiful memories of your baby's milestones. It's actually very beautiful when I'm, glancing through my phone and seeing when Brielle was 1 month, 2 months. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. So if you want to take all this and you're like, I don't have the money to go to the studio, don't worry. You can actually do this at home by yourself, editing and all. Because I did it, you can do it. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. Please kindly share it. Give it a thumbs up because it actually encourages me to create more and more content. Please don't mind my background, please. My background, mom life alone save now everything go this scatter, so don't mind it. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And from me and baby Jaden, hey boo, hey boo, hey boo. From me and I and baby Jaden, it's a bye-bye. Hey boo, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye guys, see you all in my next video. Hey boo. Hey boo. Hey boo. He loves looking at the camera. He's already used to it, guys.
Animals, they're in human form. Body man, nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, they for me catch up. I know they form I said you righteous. Come on, they form you said you like us. We no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Gonna